3. Journey of food. The third lesson in our EVS subject is journey of food. The first bit here is tick the correct answer. Children, here we have few sentences which are incomplete. We have to select the correct answer for these sentences from the given options here. There are 3 options given for each sentences. The first one here is food grains like rice, wheat, oats, etc. are called dash. The options given here are A. Cereals, B. Pulses, C. Vegetables. And the correct answer here is cereals. So, we will tick the option A here as the correct answer. Food grains like rice, wheat, oats, etc. are called cereals. Second one, it is used by farmers to plough the fields. The options given here are A. Cars, B. Bicycles, C. Tractors. So, the correct answer here is tractors. We will put the correct mark for the option C here, which is tractors. Tractors are used by farmers to plough the fields. Third one, cutting crops when they are ripe is called dash. The options given here are A. Manuring, B. Harvesting, C. Irrigation. The correct answer here is harvesting. So, we will put the tick mark here for harvesting, which is the B option. Cutting crops when they are ripe is called harvesting. So, this is the first bit. Now, we will move to the second bit. Second bit under exercise time is encircle the odd one in each group. Here in each bit we are given 4 words and we have to select the odd one out from these 4 words and encircle them. So, in the first one, what are the words given? Pepper, cloves, wheat, chilies. So, among these 4 words, which is the odd one? Wheat is the odd one. Why? Because pepper, cloves and chilies are spices. Wheat is a grain. So, we will encircle the word wheat here. 2. Plows, tractors, doctor, sickles. Among these 4 words, which is the odd one? Yes, doctor is the odd one. Why? Because plows, tractors and sickles are used in farming and doctor is a person who treats sick people. So, we will encircle the word doctor. 3. Pesticides, water, insecticides, fertilizers. Among these 4 words, water is the odd one because these are chemicals used to kill insects in farming. So, we will encircle the word water. So, this is about the second bit under exercise time. Now, we will move to the next bit. The third bit under exercise time is fill in the blanks. The first one is dash, dash and dash are dry fruits. The answers here are raisins, apricots and almonds are dry fruits. Raisins, apricots and almonds are dry fruits. 2. A farmer prepares the soil by dash the field. The answer in the blank is ploughing. A farmer prepares the soil by ploughing the field. 3. Water is supplied to the fields from dash and dash. The answers here are wells and tube wells. Water is supplied to the fields from wells and tube wells. 4. Farmers put up dash to protect food crops from birds and animals. The answer here is scarecrow. Farmers put up scarecrow to protect food crops from birds and animals. This is the third bit under exercise time. Now we will move to the next section. The next section under exercise time is answer the following questions. Here we are given some questions. We have to write the answers for these questions. 1. What do farmers use for harvesting crops? The answer here is farmers use sickles for harvesting crops. 2. Where does the farmer sell his crops? Answer is farmer sells his crops in wholesale market. 3. How do farmers plough the fields? The answer is farmers plough the fields with the help of animals. Some farmers use tractors to plough their fields. So these are the 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will move to the fourth question. 4. Why do farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil? The answer is farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil to make it rich in minerals. The fifth question is, how does food from the wholesaler reach our homes? The answer is, shopkeepers and vendors buy the crops from wholesalers and finally we buy cereals, pulses, sugar and oil from a grocer. 6. Name some seeds grown for making cooking oil. And the answer for this sixth question is groundnut, sesame, mustard, linseed and sunflowers are grown for cooking oil. So these are the seeds which are grown for making cooking oil. Those are groundnut, sesame, mustard, linseed and sunflowers. And now we will move to the next question. 7. Name some common spices. The question is, name some common spices. And the answer here is cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, pepper, bay leaves, turmeric and chilies are some common spices. So the spices are cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, pepper, bay leaves, turmeric and chilies. These are some common spices. With this we finish the fourth bit. Answer the following questions. The next section under exercise time is hots. Which spice makes our food look yellow and is also used as yellow dye? Children, do you know the answer for this? Yes, this is a spice which makes our food look yellow and it is also used as yellow dye and its color is yellow. And the answer here is turmeric. We use turmeric in our cooking because it is very good for our health. The next section under exercise time is value based question. At times when we are not hungry, we waste food. But there are many people who don't get any food to eat. as a student, how can you help solve this problem? Children, many times we waste food, but there are many people who don't get any food to eat. And as a student, how can you solve this problem? Children, you should not waste food and you should fill your plate with the food that you are only able to eat. So you can write like this: as a student, I will eat food only when I am hungry, so that I will not waste food that I am not able to eat. I will fill my plate with food that I am only able to eat. I will not overfill my plate and throw the excess food. Yes, children, you should eat only when you are hungry, so that you will not waste food. And you should fill your plate with the food which you are only able to eat. You should not overfill your plate, and when you are not able to eat, you have to throw the excess food. So, you should not overfill your plate. You fill your plate only with the food that you are able to eat, so that we won't waste the food. The next section under exercise time is home assignment / project. What is the activity given here? With the help of an adult, find out and then make a chart on the after effects of eating food grains, fruits and vegetables that have been grown with too many chemical fertilizers. Put this chart on the school display board to create awareness among students. Children, in this activity, you can take the help of your adults in your family. This activity is about making a chart. You should make a chart on the after effects of eating food grains, fruits and vegetables which are grown by too many chemical fertilizers. Nowadays, many food grains, fruits and vegetables are grown by adding many chemical fertilizers. And if we eat these foods, there are some side effects which occur in our body and we may get some diseases. So you should make a chart on the after effects of eating food grains, fruits and vegetables that are grown by adding too many chemical fertilizers. Put this chart on the school display board. After preparing the chart, you should put the chart on the school display board so that it creates awareness among students, so that all the students and the people come to know about the after effects of eating the food grains, fruits and vegetables which are grown by adding too many chemical fertilizers. So this is the end of the home assignment / project from the workbook part under lesson 3, Journey of Food.